In this question, you given fx is x square minus 5x plus 4, gx is log x. You're asked to find GOF of 2. GOF of 2. So, as you can see from the definition, GOF of 2 is nothing but G of f of 2. And what is f of 2? F of 2 is nothing but fx is x square minus 5x plus 4. So f of 2 is 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 4. This is 4 plus 4 minus 10 is minus 2. So f of 2 is minus 2. So g of f of 2 is g of minus 2, which is equal to g of x is log x. So g of 2 is log of minus 2, which is undefined, because log is defined only for positive numbers. So log minus 2 is not defined.